What's good? Hey howdy, hey populace, welcome back to another super special awesome showing of PandaDUMP, show particularly nothing about nothing in particular. And currently we're going to the Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box! We got Big K, we got James with new hair. Woo! Yeah, that's about it. Yesterday I posted a video of me pulling out the Skyward Sword, and then that was it. So, I mean, I wasn't even in the video. You probably heard my voice, and that's about it. So, yeah, good times. Enter. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Food. Man, I just sat for like 7 hours and played Skyward Sword. It was delicious. Super delicious. What are you getting? You getting cheesecakes? Cheesecakes! So good. Go. Choose. Okay. I don't know what I want yet. All I know is the food. Facing the camera? Yeah, it's right here. Camera. Anyway, severely tired. I got work tomorrow. Yes, at 8 o'clock. Yes, best time in the world. Yes, so good. And getting chicken strips. Are you getting food?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chicken strips.
You're getting chicken strips too?
Chicken strips.
Oh my god. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Not chicken strips.
Get chicken strips.
No, chicken strips are for awesome people. I can only get food of losers.
No, you get awesome food.
Awesome food. Dude, look at this chocolate overload cake. Chocolate overload. Dude, that's what I'm getting. We get eggnog shake. That's what's up. And that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go. This has been PandaDUMP, a show particularly nothing about nothing in particular. That's James, and then that's Big K. This is good. Anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. More good. Dump.